recording. All right, does everything look lined up?
Yes.
Okay, did I cut any eggs? No.
Yeah.
All right, let's see, baby. Ooh.
That's kind of scary.
Oh.
Let me see. That kind of, what kind of, ooh, the
What do you
top's
think?
yellow. What kind of blends in?
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Oh, we got little Easter egg soapies. Ooh. What do you think?
That's pretty.
See, and that's, I put glitter on top so it'll match the little glitter Easter eggs we bought the other day.
Oh. Is there a blue colored egg?
There's
No.
only the green, the orangey, and the yellow, because honestly, they're kind of hard to make. So Mommy ran out of time.
Blue. The blue's kind of hard to make.
No, I mean, I figured I was only going to make a little batch of these, so I didn't need that many eggs, and I already had enough. So I was going to add another color, but I figured if I did the base purple, it would make it good. And you can see it's funny because I think there is some of the purple on the top that didn't gel compared to the purple on the inside that did. Oh, it looks like a little heart.
Yeah. On the others it does.
Yeah. So make sure all the Easter eggs are in the same way once I put my stamp on.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I love that.
That kind of smells like lemon Girl Scout cookies.
It smells like lemon Girl Scout cookies. This is the white tea and ginger. It's the same as those bunny ones.
Oh.
Okay, good. I'm just cleaning off the edges.
Mom, do you need this box?
You can have the box.
Yes.
Oh, We'll have one that'll be opposite.